Hi, I'm Amir from Decoder, and today I want to teach you how you can make your first Angular project under 5 minutes. Yeah, that's right. Now, in the terminal, first of all, you should install the Angular globally in your computer. First, you write npm install -g @angular/CLI, and then you hit the enter. Now, start to install the packages. It depends on the speed of your network. Great. Now we check the version of the Angular with the command of ngv. And as you can see here, the Angular CLI is version 20.3.8 and Node version 20.13 is installed. Now I clear the console. I go to make a new Angular project with the command of ng-new, the name of the app. Here, my app name is my first app in Angular. Now, at this chapter, start to ask some questions. First of all, which style sheet format would you like to use? Now I choose CSS. And another question is, would you like to enable server-side rendering? I said no. Would you want to create zoneless application? Of course, yes. And a new questions from 2025 that it says, which AI tools do you want to configure with Angular? It's great. Now you choose your model and then start to install the packages. We wait to install the packages. Fantastic. Successfully initialized the packages. Now we go to the folder of the app with cd my/first-app-in Angular, the name of the app, and then I write code dots to open the Visual Studio Code automatically. Now, here I have Visual Studio Code in the app folder. As you can see in the Visual Studio Code at the right side, you can select about or ask about your code with the AI model. And then, as you can see in the picture, we have source folder and app folder. We have app.config.ts file, app.html file, and app.route.ts file for the routing. Now, in the package.json, you can see the script object and start property. Now, here in the Visual Studio Code, with clicking Control and backtick, you can open the terminal of the Visual Studio Code inside your app. And in the terminal, you just simply write npm run start from the package.json. And here, I just type y and I open localhost 42200. Great. Your first app in Angular. Hi, I'm Amir. If you love this deep dive, hit subscribe for more weekly front-end Gold, React, Angular, RxJS, and Signal. You can access my full video from my channel @Frontdecoder in YouTube, or you can see my channel in Telegram. Let's keep building. See you in the next one.